ਪੈਂਡੈਮਿਕ ਦੇ ਚਲਦੇ ਓਨਟਾਰੀਓ ਵਿੱਚ ਲਗਾਤਾਰ ਕੋਵਿਡ-19 ਕੇਸਿਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਵਾਧਾ ਦਰਜ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ। ਗੱਲ ਪੀਲ ਰੀਜਨ ਦੀ ਕਰੀਏ ਤਾਂ ਬ੍ਰੈਂਪਟਨ ਨੂੰ ਹੌਟ ਸਪੌਟ ਮੰਨਿਆ ਗਿਆ ਹੈ। ਇਸੇ ਲਈ ਹੁਣ ਬ੍ਰੈਂਪਟਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਈਸੋਲੇਸ਼ਨ ਸੈਂਟਰ ਖੁੱਲ੍ਹਣ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ। ਇਸ ਦੀ ਜਾਣਕਾਰੀ ਬੀਤੇ ਦਿਨੀ ਮੇਅਰ ਪੈਟਰਿਕ ਬਰਾਊਨ ਨੇ ਬ੍ਰੈਂਪਟਨ ਦੀ ਵੀਕਲੀ ਮੀਡੀਆ ਬਰੀਫਿੰਗ ਦੌਰਾਨ ਦਿੱਤੀ। ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਲਾਰੈਂਸ ਲੂ ਨੇ ਬ੍ਰੈਂਪਟਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੱਧ ਰਹੇ ਕੇਸਿਸ ਤੇ ਚਿੰਤਾ ਵੀ ਜਤਾਈ।
And so we plan to have isolation centers located in Bramalea, in northeast Brampton, and we anticipate opening these facilities very soon. Public health is already engaged now that the funding is provided. And I want to explain why this was something we were so passionate about. You know, some people have misconceptions on isolation centers. They're not a jail. It's a voluntary option. It's a hotel that is essentially seconded by public health. And if someone tests positive, they will be informed that this is an option they have. And why that's so important is if you look in Brampton, we have crowded living conditions. And if someone lives with 2 or 3 people, it might not be hard to isolate in a different part of the house. But if you live with 10 people, it's virtually impossible. And so having this tool, having this option of a location to safely isolate is critical. Because in many cases, people in precarious employment or who work for temp agencies in essential settings can't afford a hotel room for 14 days, don't have an option for a safe place to isolate. Between December 23rd, 2020 and January 2nd, 2021, officers laid 6 charges under the mandatory face covering bylaw and 41 under the Reopening of Ontario Act. So we continue to work hard to make sure there is compliance with the public health protocols. The charges laid under the Reopening of Ontario Act include 7 non-essential businesses operating during the provincial shutdown and 11 residential social gatherings, with a combined total of 34 charges. So this is not a time to be lackadaisical in following public health protocols. Their bylaw and police will attend if there are instances where the critical advice of public health is not being followed.
Current weekly rate for the past week is at 279 per 100,000, which is up from 250 per 100,000 last week. And our test positivity is currently at 16.9%, which is up from 13% last week, with significant increases in test positivity noted with a decrease in testing volumes over the holiday. However, I am deeply concerned that this week we have started to see increases in cases and a surge related to the holidays that is being seen here in Peel and throughout the province of Ontario. So while I know that 2021 is a new year, my message is clear. COVID-19 is not over yet. We must continue to take action to save lives, to prevent our hospitals from seeing disaster, and allow us to bring COVID-19 to a more controllable level to guarantee the success of our immunization programs. Only then will we be able to reopen with confidence and minimize broader social and economic impacts that this disaster continues to have on our community.